Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 says x cubed minus 64. So we know from the first problem that this will break into a binomial of 2 terms and a trinomial of 3 terms. And I know in the binomial I'm just going to take the cube roots and keep the sign. So the cube root of x cubed is x. I'm going to keep the subtraction sign, and the cube root of 64 is 4. As I said in the first problem, I have my cube roots memorized. It will really benefit you if you memorize, let's say, the first 5 or 7, and again, there's a Math Dogs video to help you. Now for the trinomial, which always seems to be the one nobody can remember. But I'm going to use my memory trick, STOMPS, STOMPS. So S stands for square. I'm going to square x, the first term, and get x squared. TO stands for the opposite, so the opposite of minus is plus. The M stands for multiply, so I'm going to multiply x by 4 and get 4x. P stands for positive. That sign symbol right there is always positive. And again, S stands for square, so I'm going to square the 4 and get 16. And so my answer is x minus 4 times x squared plus 4x plus 16.